Hey, what is up, you guys? Today we are doing something kind of fun, something I don't really see other people doing, and that is styling vintage vests. This is an item that I think we all have seen at the thrift store, and maybe you even like them and you just don't know how to wear them. I know that was the case for myself. I just really had a problem with seeing vests at the thrift store, buying hordes of them, and then not wearing them because I just didn't know how. And I wanted to film this video for anyone else that was struggling with how to style them. It took me a while to come up with these different ways to style them just because I am so new to the vest world, and I feel like when we talk about women's fashion, vests are something that is often overlooked, but it is so plentiful at the thrift store, and it honestly is kind of banging if you style it the right way. So not that I think there's a wrong way, I think there's just a billion different ways you can wear vests. To start things off, I've got a white graphic t-shirt by Originality with a really neat 70s van and nature print in a size small. It's tucked into my vintage men's Levi's denim that I DIY'd into my all-time favorite shorts. Snakeskin heeled booties are by Steve Madden. I really like these because they're more gray toned. A lot of the boots I was finding were brown snakeskin, which is really pretty, but it's not what I envisioned for my outfits that I was going to pair them with, so I really like the gray toned ones. I'm sure you can find them by other brands, but if I can find them, I will link them in the description below. For accessories, I have these awesome earrings by an Etsy shop. Link will be in the description below. The necklace is from a thrift store, and the headband is by H&M. I believe it went on clearance, but again, I'm sure you can find tons of things like it. If it's still available, I will link it down below. For the second look, I chose this sheer black long sleeve ruffle dress, which I love because it shows off my tattoo behind the material. I paired it with this lovely vintage thrifted black and silver sequin vest I had scored for $2.99. Can you believe it, you guys? Oh my god. To keep a waistline with this look, I paired it with this black faux leather and silver belt from Amazon, and the O-ring black and silver booties are from H&M. Underneath, I used my favorite bralette from Free People in a mustard color. No jewelry or extras with this one, as I think the vest does enough on its own in that regard. For this fur vest, I wanted to style a vest I think everyone kind of has or has access to. I know fur vests are a lot more common to find in fast fashion stores and even in the thrift. I found a ton of them. So I wanted to include this as well as those really detailed leather ones. This oversized speckled cream and gray faux fur vest is from the brand Black Rivet, purchased from a Wilson's Leather. The shorts are another pair of vintage men's Levi's, this time in black, also thrifted and DIY'd into the shorts. I love how these shorts distressed in the wash after cutting them. I've got a vintage Johnny Cash tee from Etsy tied in the front with a hair tie, a ring from a local antique store, and some white hoop earrings from a vintage consignment shop in a few cities over. These black boots are from Esprit, purchased with a great discount from HoteLook.com. Not sponsored, obviously. you're looking at here is comprised of mostly thrifted pieces, I believe. The top is from H&M originally, and the bottoms are from the brand Flying Monkey. It's usually like a boutique brand. I believe they are also online, so you can check them out. The vest is this awesome leather suede patchwork, very 70s vest, so I wanted to go with these bell bottoms just to kind of complete the look. I like how this vest pairs with a longer sleeve as well. I think this outfit would be really gorgeous come fall time. Paired that as well with this chocolate brown sort of cowboy-esque hat that is again thrifted as well, and these boots originally from Guess. I got these years and years and years ago. They're just these brown leather boots with this amazing tread on them that makes them just absolutely perfect for fall and winter. Despite them having a heel, they are really easy to walk with the icy ground, with that amazing tread that really grips onto the walkways.